Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Last time I showed this pickup, I was replacing an IPR valve on it. And I don't know if that was fully the problem. It was kind of a band-aid on it, because I have the old IPR right here. It's back in the shop. The reason it's back in the shop this time is basically the same issue. But I found something different. And how I found that was by testing with this. Yeah, I tested with this with the IPR, but I got different results this time. This time when I ran this with the plug-in here, it would not build pressure. So that led me to believe there was something else wrong. So the most pressure I was getting out of this is about 250 psi with the test plug-in. Before, I got 3,000. So I did a little diagnosing. This injector right here. I'll show you guys what I came up with. This is a core injector I have laying around, and normally there would be a sealing ring here, usually copper, sometimes stainless on the other models that use this, non-Ford. Then there would be an O-ring here and an O-ring here, so fuel will run in this area, and another O-ring here. Oil runs in this area. A lot of times this O-ring right here blows and it's got oil coming out, but that's not what I found here. The oil was blowing out of up by the solenoid, and is what the cause of that was is this right here. You got this plate and there's a little groove inside there, and that's where this O-ring goes. This here seals on that O-ring, and this runs inside here. Maybe put it the right way. That runs inside there. So there's high pressure oil in here, and it's this seal. This is where it was leaking from. This is not a very common leak point on the 7.3. It's more often these O-rings here, but this doesn't come in any kit that I'm aware of. If after the filming of this video I find this O-ring in a kit form or separately, I'll list it in the description of the video here, or pin comment, one or the other. But so I actually just robbed the O-ring out of this core injector and stuck it in there to get by. I guess it pays to have a couple injectors laying around and stuff, but you will need something kind of like a Torx. It's a little bit different. It's a spline, I think they call it. Not 100% sure there. And then you'll need a wrench for this, which is like a reverse Torx, kind of. So you can buy those online. If I happen to find a link for them, I'll post it in the description. But I think this has been part of the issue all along. Just kind of came and went. Must have just rolled it just right, because this has a little bit of a twist to it, and it's got a couple little bites out of it. Got some leakage out of around the test plug and the hose and whatnot, but nothing out of the injector anymore. Win. Well guys, hopefully that helped somebody out there, because that tester tool, it's like 25 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link for it. And it's really saved some diagnosing, because, you know, I was about to change O-rings in the body. I wanted to fix anything. And you seen on that little clip there, it was pretty clear to tell where I had a leak by listening to the airflow out. So, well, thanks guys for checking us out. Join me next time. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?